Model, 2015 Citroën Berlingo L1 Diesel 1.6 HDi 625Kg Enterprise 75 PS Body, black, panel van mileage, 85,175 MOT, 13 January 2024 Engine, 1,560 cc DV6 ETE-DC transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Steering pump will need replacing. Good little van for someone to put in a quick steering pump. To get it ready for work. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper,